The world is changing fast. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, reshaping skills, and redefining what success means. Whether you're a student, job seeker, or professional, learning to upskill with AI and adapt your career strategy is not just smart, it's essential. Let's explore how you can future-proof your career, find the right opportunities, and truly stand out in today's competitive job market. Step 1. Understand how AI is reshaping work. AI is everywhere, in healthcare, finance, marketing, design, and even education. It's automating repetitive work, but creating millions of new roles in analysis, ethics, data science, and creativity. Instead of fearing automation, learn to work with AI. Think of it as a teammate, one that boosts your efficiency and frees you to focus on innovation, problem solving, and leadership. Step 2. Identify the right skills to learn. Don't just learn everything. Learn what matters. Focus on 3 skill layers. Core skills, data analysis, programming basics, like Python or R, and understanding how algorithms think. Applied skills, using AI tools for productivity, such as automating tasks, analyzing trends, or writing smarter with ChatGPT. Human skills, communication, teamwork, and adaptability. Because AI enhances your work, but it can't replace your empathy or judgment. Free learning platforms like Google AI, Coursera, Udemy, and Kaggle are your best friends. Even 30 minutes a day can transform your skill set in a month. Step 3. Practice what you learn. Employers don't just want certificates, they want proof of results. Build small projects, analyze a data set, create an AI-powered chatbot, automate a spreadsheet or business report. Use generative AI to design social media posts or business content. These practical projects make your portfolio come alive and show your initiative. Step 4. Build your personal brand online. Your online presence is your new resume. Share your learning journey on LinkedIn or GitHub. Write posts about what you've learned or how you applied AI to solve a problem. Connect with people in your field. AI thrives on collaboration. Remember, recruiters search for people who demonstrate curiosity and problem solving, not just those with degrees. Step 5. Use AI tools for job hunting. Let AI work for you. Use AI resume builders like Rezi or Teal to craft tailored CVs that match job descriptions. Use ChatGPT or LinkedIn's AI tools to refine your cover letters and interview responses. Use job boards that employ AI matching, such as LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Indeed, to find roles that truly fit your skills. AI interview coaches can also simulate questions, analyze your tone, and help you prepare confidently. Step 6. Network smarter, not harder. Attend webinars, join AI communities, and contribute to discussions. Real connections open more doors than cold applications ever could. Share your projects, help others, and let your curiosity show. The AI community values people who share knowledge. Step 7. Adapt continuously. Technology evolves every month, and so should you. Read about the latest AI trends in automation, ethics, and data security. Take micro courses to keep up to date. Treat learning as a lifelong habit, not a one-time event. Step 8. Stand out in a competitive world. In today's fast-paced economy, the most successful professionals are not those who know the most, but those who learn the fastest. Use AI as a creative partner, not a replacement. Be the person who understands both technology and people, who uses innovation with empathy, clarity, and impact. Final message. The age of AI is not the end of opportunity. It's the beginning of transformation. You don't need to be a data scientist to thrive. You just need the right mindset. Curiosity, consistency, and confidence. Learn to use AI. Learn to think creatively. Learn to adapt. Because in a world driven by change, your ability to evolve is your greatest skill. Start your journey today with AI World and Tutorials, your guide to mastering the future. Please subscribe and click like. Thanks for your support.